Do you find it hard to sleep even after a hectic day at work and feeling tired? You also lie down, your body wants rest, and your mind keeps running with unwanted thoughts, worries, unfinished conversations, and even plans for tomorrow. Today, we are talking about sleep issues caused due to stress and why rest becomes difficult when stress is not released during the day. Welcome to Inner Quest Healing Talks, conversations for stress to bliss. I'm your host, Ravindra Murthy. In today's episode, you will understand how stress affects sleep. You also realize why the mind stays active at night and what gentle practices can help you sleep better without forcing rest and trying alternate means to sleep. Sleep is not just about taking rest when you're tired. Sleep is an important activity for your body to regenerate and recharge after a hectic day. Yes, and this happens when the body feels safe. When stress is high, the nervous system stays alert. So, even when you lie down and attempt to sleep, your stress keeps your system active and your mind thinks, I need to be awake to support the thoughts. Yes, the stress results in overthinking, muscle tension, shallow breathing, emotional restlessness, all these things as you're trying to sleep. So the body is in bed, but mind is still at work. Let me tell you some of the common sleep problems many people experience due to stress. Difficulty in falling asleep, waking up in the middle of the night, racing thoughts at bedtime, and also light or disturbed sleep. And all these results in waking up tired. Have you ever experienced this where when you wake up without much of energy and tired because of lack of sleep? Don't worry. This does not mean there is something wrong with you. This just means that you are carrying stress to bed. Remember, stress accumulates daily in your body and mind, and stress was not released properly before going to bed. So, instead of releasing the stress, many people try to fix the sleep itself. So funny, right? We try to consciously control our thoughts at bed. We try to have a forced sleep, and we also get frustrated worrying about sleep itself and thinking, why I'm not able to sleep? Why is it so difficult to sleep today? Stress is like pressure building inside a pressure cooker. If you release a little pressure every day, there is no explosion at night. Yes, stress needs to be released daily before you hit the bed. This is why daily stress buster practices work better than occasional long stress relieving sessions. When the body feels relaxed before going to bed, sleep comes naturally. So, before going to bed, do this practice. Do some simple breath work so that your mind will pause and breathe and relax your body. Calm your mind and release unnecessary emotions and feelings so that your nervous systems slowly resets and prepares for a good sleep. And with this practice, I can guarantee you that you can get a deep and peaceful sleep, not struggle to sleep. If stress is affecting your sleep and you find the symptoms which I shared you earlier in the episode, I invite you to try Daily Stress Buster. Yes, Daily Stress Buster is a short daily practice designed at Wahiling community to release daily stress and prepare you for a sound sleep. Just few minutes every day can help your system regenerate, feel safer and calmer, which also supports a better sleep. Look for the details on Daily Stress Buster in the description and join us. If you know someone who is also having sleep disturbances due to stress, share this episode. Also, please like, subscribe, and follow Inner Quest Healing Talks for more gentle practices for a stress-free life. This is your host Ravindra Murthy. Thank you for joining me today. Take a breath, take it slow, and remember, bliss begins within.